Next slice, the boogeyman. Do you know how I feel? Do you know why I kill? Do you know if it's fake or if it's real? Do you know why I steal? Do you know if I should take this pill? Do you know I love watching the blood spilling, hanging bodies from the ceiling, part of my serial killing? Fuck with me, one less a billion.
Do you know
I'm a sick psycho?
Do you know
that I spit this flow?
Do you know
why I lose control?
Do you know? Did you know? Do you know? Did you know? Do you know
I'm a sick psycho?
Do you know
how I spit this flow?
Do you know
why I lose control?
Do you know? Did you know? Do you know? Did you know? Do you know?
Some say I rap with a corny flow. Bitch, you can suck my dick through a glory hole. Watch out, I've lost control. Look out,
I might eat your soul.
Everybody should know that I am crazy. Everybody knows that they fucking hate me. Every motherfucker makes me angry. No one in this world can save me, save me. I'm under so much agony, it seems nobody's respecting me. Your death was such a tragedy, but it's the way it had to be. You motherfuckers are so blind to see that really you should be scared of me. Cause I'm a psycho MC, spitting a free by my CD, or face the misery. Ha, ha, ha. I'm just kidding, I love going where it's forbidden. Be thankful for this gift we are given, and be thankful for every day that we're living. Every day is a great day to be alive, even though it's such a struggle to survive. This world is in need of saving, ain't shit changing, and the death we're all facing. Come on, tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm mistaken. Count all the lives that we're taking, the choices we keep making, and still we remain forsaken. Yeah, yeah.
Do you know
I'm a bit psycho?
Do you know
how I spit my flow?
Do you know? Do you know
I'm a bit psycho?
Do you know
how I spit my flow?
Do you know
why I lost control?
Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Do you know?
Face to face with the angel of death, forced to take my final last breath. Ain't nothing left for you anymore. Time to unlock the door.